Hey everyone, this is Natalie with Keyprint Co. And this week we're going to be using the new face mask kit for heat press to decorate a zippered pouch. Now these little pouches of course make great gifts. They're also a really popular choice for promotional products and giveaways, things like that. So they're a great thing to offer in your shop. However, because of the way that they're constructed, they have a lot of really thick seams and then of course the zipper on the top. It makes it difficult for it to lay flat enough for when you're both DTG printing and screen printing. And then of course with a regular heat press platen, you don't want the zipper on the top to get crushed in between the two hot plates because it could melt the teeth on the zipper and then it won't zip. However, with the face mask kit for heat press, we're going to show you how the top plates that are on the kit isolate the print surface area, and then we're going to apply some heat transfer vinyl with a nice little design on it and show you exactly how we get it done. So, without further ado, let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use our Great Cuts vinyl cutter machine to cut out the design, and then once it is all cut out, we're going to weed it using a weeding tool. And now to load the pouch, we're just going to unzip that top of the pocket there and slide it right over the top plate of the face mask platen. We're using the 3x6 top plate, which is the largest one. And then once we get the pouch situated to where we would like the design to sit, we're just going to take the corresponding 3x6 hoop and slide it right over the pouch there, and then place our design right in the center or wherever we would like it to go. And if we want to, we can also use some heat transfer tape if it's not sticking down, just so that it doesn't move around when we take it off of the setup station. Now we're going to go ahead and remove it from the setup station, the face mask platen, and place it on the heat press adapter, and we're going to press it at 240 degrees Fahrenheit for about 30 seconds to really make sure that transfer vinyl sticks. And once that 30 seconds is up, we're going to peel away that transfer plastic and heat transfer tape, and our design is all set. And now we're just going to remove the face mask platen from the heat press adapter and place it back onto the setup station and unload the pouch. And now as you can see, the heat press plates left a little bit of an indentation from the hoop there, so we're just going to show you a tip on how to quickly and easily remove that. Just take a wet paper towel and press it against those creases there, and they will come right out, and then you can either air dry it or let it hover underneath the heat press for a little while if you want it to be dry faster, and then your pouch is all set. Alright friends, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing that whole process, and make sure you stay tuned in the following weeks because we have some really exciting things coming up for heat press in particular that we think you all are really going to like. So make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Head over to our Instagram at Keyprint Co. to see all of the things that we print and press here every single day, and we'll see you next time.